Hello, I am Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Hearts of Iron error code 32212225781. The error reads, "An error occurred. The game appears to have crashed or terminated unexpectedly. The issue may be solved by verifying the integrity of your game files and deactivating any mods. If you are using Windows, you may also need to install Visual C++ Redistributable and .NET framework. As per our research, this error occurs when players try to launch the game. Many players have reported that the game crashes at startup and shows this error message. According to our research, the error is likely caused by missing or corrupted system files, such as Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable or DirectX. It can also be due to an issue with mods or display settings. Now let's go through the possible fixes. The first thing you should try is repairing or reinstalling Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable. Depending on your system, you may need the x86 or x64 version. Once installed, restart your PC and try launching the game again. If repairing doesn't work, install all versions of Microsoft Visual C++ Redistributable, including 2005, 2008, 2010, and newer versions. Once done, restart your PC and check if the game launches. If still get the error, check if any DLL files are missing. Try launching the game's executable file directly and see if any error message appears about missing files. If you see an error related to d3dx9_43.dl, then you need to install or repair DirectX. You can download the DirectX installer from Microsoft's official website. Once installed, restart your PC and check for the error. If the error still comes, try changing the game's refresh rate and display settings from the launcher. Some players have fixed the issue by adjusting these settings before launching the game. So give this a try and see if this helps. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.